Ninth graders, this week, over the next week until next Tuesday, you will be working on these storytelling stations. Now, you may have had stations in elementary school where there was stuff around the room and you went from place to place. We don't exactly have room for that. So, this is sort of a modified version of stations, with all of the stations being in this slideshow, and some help videos at the end to help you as you get to writing your stories. So, the goal this week is that you are going to write drafts of 4 different stories from 4 different stations in your notebook. As you work on these stations, you might work alone or with a couple other people, but you should all write in your own notebooks and write your own drafts for the 4 stations. In the last weeks before winter break, you're going to choose one of these stories to revise and make super amazing. So these are first draft stories that you're creating. They should be a good start of maybe 400 words each. So here's the instructions on slide 2. You're going to go to 4 stations. As you work on each station, get this out of the way. As you work on each station, you'll title a new page in your notebook, Station 1, what is it? And then take notes if it asks you to, and then draft your story. The story you write from each station should be 300 words. Not 400, but you could do 400. And each story should have a setting, mood, and character development. And stories can also include images if you want to tell it as a comic or have some supporting images. That could be fun. There are story development videos at the end of the slideshow to help you when you're stuck. So that's this section that starts with the blue slide. We've got videos to help with plot, setting, character development, and dialogue. Sometimes it's hard to know how to punctuate the dialogue, so these will give you some reminders. All right, so let's look at the stations. There's the ingredients, loose parts, one word at a time, genre swap, 8-beat story, a new ending, story cube story, and story from a picture. Each of these has a green box, which soon will be a video instructions for each slide, so I'm not going to go into them here. But again, you're going to do 4 of these activities over the course of the week. So look through, see which ones look fun to you, and get started. Good luck. Can't wait to see what you come up with.